When the 2026 Toyota Hilux BEV was announced, Toyota signaled more than a facelift. This is a strategic pivot for an icon. The 9th generation Hilux moves toward electrification with a full battery electric version and retains a multi-powertrain approach including petrol, diesel, and hybrid for different markets. The BEV variant preserves the truck's ladder frame construction and four-wheel drive layout, aiming to marry rugged durability with zero emissions capability. That the new Hilux looks substantially different. Toyota has beefed up the styling with a more angular design in keeping with the Tacoma. It too ditches the corporate logo in favor of a large wordmark, flanked by slender headlights for a more modern look. The closed-off upper part of the front section denotes we're looking at the EV version. Naturally, models with combustion engines will need additional cooling, necessitating a traditional grille. The charging port is mounted on the front fender, while combustion-powered versions are expected to retain the rear-mounted fuel cap. Elsewhere, the wheel design is exclusive to the EV, and all variants feature a new rear deck step for easier access to the load bed. The side steps have also been redesigned to facilitate entry and exit. At the back, the tailgate adopts a slice of Americana with massive, debossed Toyota lettering. The truck's name is neatly integrated into the door handle, just below the mandatory third brake light. On the inside, the new Hilux feels very like the company's Land Cruiser, with dark grays, high seating positions, and two big 12.3-inch digital screens with all the usual connectivity options. We drove a couple of the vehicles in different trim levels, with the lower spec vehicles all plastics and hard-wearing fabrics, and the higher spec vehicles filled with leather effect materials and additional surface features, such as a cover for the dash-mounted cubby above the glove box and flip-down covers for the cup holders. Overall, the quality of Toyota's interiors continues to be high, and the new Hilux looks set to live up to the usual expectations in this area. Under the skin, the BEV uses a 59.2 kilowatt-hours lithium-ion battery, powering a front and rear e-axle. Combined output sits around 144 kilowatts, and Toyota estimates a WLTP range of approximately 240 kilometers. Although full details are limited, towing capacity is cited at 1,600 kilograms and payload around 715 kilograms. Toyota confirms the ladder frame remains and off-road credentials are retained, including weighting depth and durability features from the internal combustion models. Toyota has not released official pricing for the 2026 Toyota Hilux BEV for all markets, but it is expected to be the most expensive Hilux variant, potentially priced below 100,000 Australian dollars in Australia and around 1,491,000 baht in Thailand.